to us, the surviving comrades of our precious sister Lilia. Let us be proud and be happy to proclaim that the good teacher never dies. She just fades away. Thank you. For your Erika, Master of Teacher in the public schools for 42 years. Thank you.
Indeed, good teachers never die. They just fade away. And we would like to acknowledge that 5 of us in the Luna family are teachers. To give a message to a mother from her son, may we call on Mr. Arnel Smirna.
Maganda. Sisa. Malapit po ako sa aking ina. Kaya siguro sa lugar niya. Busy sa aking ina. Ma'am, congratulations. You did okay, natinig po tayo. Siguro po, sasabihin natin na naging successful siya sa pagpapasabi. It's just a one word to say successful, pero ang pinagdaanan po niya ay hindi po, ang pinagdaanan po namin ay hindi po yung ganun kasimple lang. Kasi ako ay nagmula sa mundo ito na mahirap ang aming buhay. Kasi po, si Mama doon walang trabaho, si Papa nasa insurance. At I consider that the turning point sa aming buhay, doon na walang trabaho si Papa. At para may kaguyan niya ang aming pag-aaral doon, kung doon nagsisikap sila na patuloy ang pag-aaral. Kami nag-aaral doon. Through sa effort ni Mama, to effort her initiative and determination, na itaguyan niyo po kami lahat. Kaya nakita ko sa kanya parang katawan, lately, na bumabak sa kanyang katawan. Dahil po yun sa kanya. Paghihirap. Ganun pa ba na buhay saya? Kasi hindi siya naghihirap. Hindi niya hindi ko nakita sa kanya yung magiging paghihirap sa iyo natin. At para sa akin, nakita ko ng maraming tao ngayon. Maraming tao po ang pupunta sa amin sa nakaramang araw. The fact na yung aming buhay, mga anak niya ay naayos. Ay, nakabaliit at ay mga patunay na ang kanyang mission dito sa mundo ito ay successful. Alam ko, marami siyang tutulungan at marami tayong aral na magpapakula sa kanya. Ang kanyang mga naiwang aral sa amin ay ang pong ipagpatuloy sa amin pong coming na mga generation. That's why, to Mama, congratulations po sa inyo. You have a well-being tonight. You know, you are very steward of God. And ito po ay nanampalataya kayo po ngayon ay nasa mabuting kalagayan.
Aming hunsong kapatid ang magbibigay ng mensahe sa kanila. Ate, si Manale, bibigay.
Okay, ako ay sa lahat. And I grew up with my sisters. Nini is called, as I call, Nini, as I call Manalilla. Is the second to the eldest. When I was growing up, I saw Manamili and Manamilla blossom from a teenager to an adult. I remember every fiesta we attend, the fiesta ballroom dance in the market building. We dance with music, tango, rumba, waltz. Manamilla is a curvy lady who has a shade. He has a lot of admirers, and on them is Mount Roy. But there is another suitor who is an avid fan of Manamilla also, and that is Mr. Cabrera. After several months and years of courtship, finally my mom asked Manamilla which one of the two she loved best. He said that it is Montador. The handsome and good conversationalist held the heart of my sister. Because of his love, he brought 7 children, 5 handsome guys, and 2 beautiful girls. All of their educational expenses. He did make a lot of sacrifices with his success. And God is her guide in her son. Our lesson for today is that we learn from our lesson for today is that we have to always ask guidance from God in order to be successful in life. Because without God, our life will be miserable. So, from the beginning that we are born, the end of life, God is always there. And we have to praise God for guidance. Please look for God in your life and be sure that every day you always take the guidance of God. From morning up to the time that you sleep. Please let